Hey guys, what's up? What's up, my besties? All right, y'all. So I'm actually getting ready to wash my locks, and y'all, the locks are really growing thick, okay, but they're kind of everywhere right now. But I'm actually going to use the kitchen sink. I've already washed it out, cleaned it out. I'm actually going to go ahead and wash my locks, y'all. This is just a way of saving money, you know what I'm saying? Like, everything is expensive nowadays, so I'm going to use my shampoo and my conditioner, and we're gonna go. All right, my bad, y'all, I had a phone call, but let's get started, y'all. I'm also gonna attempt to retwist my hair myself too, but right now we're just gonna get the washing, and I can't find like my scrubber to like get in the root of it, so I'm probably have to use like a brush just to get in the root of it to clean it, but like, you know, to really clean my hair. But all right, let's get started. I'm actually gonna take conditioner and condition my locks. All right, I'm gonna put my cap on, and we're gonna let this sit for at least about 5 to 10 minutes, okay? And then we're gonna rinse this out, okay, guys? Be right back. All right, let's go ahead and rinse this conditioner out. All right, y'all, so we're done. Y'all see that new growth? I'm gonna actually go ahead and try to retwist my locks. edition retwist, my own. And again, this is what I use on my hair when I do my retwist and clips. Clips you can get them from the dollar store. Not dollar store, hair store. And just twisters with it. You don't have to put them up or whatever. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like the video. Please, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and hit that share button. Go ahead and like. And go ahead and comment. Let me know what you guys think. Positive vibes only. Deuce.